I am Dr. Kannan from Apollo Cancer Hospital, Chennai. This is actually a very good initiative to move on cancer awareness program. I appreciate the team which is organizing this. Now with our improved sanitation, improved nutrition, improved hygiene of living, our communicable diseases like malaria and other things are coming down. Now we are to face with our increased life expectancy, we are here to face with non-communicable diseases or lifestyle related diseases like diabetes mellitus, cardiac problems and cancer. Now the cancer takes the major burden and the major economic impact in our country. So as an head and neck surgeon, I would speak initially on the head and neck cancers and a little bit about the other cancers, how to prevent it. Prevention is most important. Among the head and neck cancers other than thyroid, 80% of these cancers are absolutely preventable. How? Because these cancers occurs because of 5 habits. If you avoid these 5 habits, the head and neck cancers can be prevented. What are the 5 habits? Smoking, alcohol, chewing tobacco, chewing sopari without pan, oral sex. If you avoid these 5 cancers, oral and lung, oral, tongue or throat cancers can be prevented by 80%. So this is very critical. Second, if you improve the nutrition, nowadays with the improved standard of living, the nutritional deficiencies have come down. Now we are facing the nutritional excess problems like obesity. So if you take care in avoiding high calorie foods, or if you always have a count of your calories, as a normal human being we need 2400 kilocalories, and you also keep a count on how much calories you spend by walking, running or by doing your daily activities, climbing force. So if you don't have a positive caloric balance, then the chance of obesity is less. If the obesity decreases, breast cancer and other cancer incidences decreases grossly. If your obesity is less, your immunity is much better. So controlling obesity gives the most important role in prevention of cancer. To control obesity, it's not just the food. At least 45 minutes of walking a day will keep your BMR normal and keep your control, keep you away from obesity. So this is very important. Now coming to cancer per se. If you have a cancer, for example in head and neck, if you have a small ulcer in the tongue, if you have a small ulcer in the buccal mucosa or in the teeth, then consult the doctor as early as possible. Why? If you have a lesion which is less than 2 centimeters in size, and if it turns out to be a cancer, if we treat them properly, the cure rate is more than 90%. If you have a lesion which is more than 4 centimeters, extending to the skin, extending to the bone, extending to the node, then the cure rate is only 50%. We can cure only 1 in 2 patients. If you have a tumor which is less than 2 centimeters, then we can cure more than 90% of the patients. So whenever you have a doubt of cancer, consult your doctor as early as possible. Now the government has improved the healthcare across the country. So consulting a doctor is not very difficult at all. So whenever you have a doubt, go to a doctor. So how to get a doubt? For head and neck cancers, if you have ulcer in the mouth which is not healing for more than 3 months, more than 3 weeks, consult a doctor. If you have a loosening of tooth and the tooth socket is not healed more than 2 weeks, consult a doctor. If you have swelling in the neck, if you have a swelling in the neck which has not gone for 3 weeks, then consult a doctor.